Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Princess Tiana look in DTI. So let's bring the Bayou Queen energy into DTI. In this tutorial, we are channeling Princess Tiana with a stunning green dress combo, elegant accessories, and major royal vibes. No VIP required. So let me show you the steps. So first, for the hair, you are going to use updo category, these two in here, and then change the color into black, putting this one in here. And then when you are done with the hair, you can start with the dress. Here I'm going to use lots of items from the currency and also the code items. So let's just go to the dressing room in here. First, I'm going to wear this dress. Then change the color using this green color. You can make the material silk if you want to, and then you can also wear this dress, combine it with this dress, make it silk, and use the same color. But for the second preview, you can use this slightly light color. You can use this hex code. The first one is still on green. This one, this one in here. And then combine it with this currency dress, this strawberry dress, but I'm going to only wear the skirt. So first preview the green, and the second one go back to this one. And here I'm going to use also this skirt from the witch set with the green color and the lace again to this color in here. And last one, here I'm going to wear this skirt, and in here I'm going to remove the layer and change the color to green. You can also still wear the layer if you want to, like this. I think I'm going to just put it on, and then let's finish the rest of the look. Here I'm going to put on the gloves, and here I'm going to make the color green, still with the fur on. And for the top, I'm going to combine it with this corset, make the color green. But for the lace here, I'm going to make it this slightly lighter color, and then here I'm going to put on this top, use the same green color for the front and this color for the lace, including the bow. So this is how the top will look like after you combine all those items. And for the shoe, I'm going to wear this one and make it green color. And let's add some accessory. If you have the crown, you can also put on the crown. Here I'm going to put on this necklace first and make the color dark green like this. And I'm going to also wear this earrings in green again. And last one, I'm going to put on this flower crown and use the same color like the dress. First one, this color, combine it with green, and the crown will look like this now. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.